It's Margarita, and today I am excited to announce that I have added yet another vanilla. Yes, vanilla, my favorite fragrance to my collection. And it was designed, or at least inspired, by a fellow singer, Billie Eilish. You all, I love gold. I am not someone who typically goes for celebrity scents, but when I heard all the rave about it being a vanilla fragrance, I had to get my nose on it, and I finally did. Went to Ulta and picked this up, and oh boy, this smells amazing. Yes, I've been wearing this already. I did not save the unboxing of this one for the video because I already knew I could not wait to try out my vanilla fragrance. This smells so good. The bottle is not as cheesy as people say it is. I mean, it's kind of along the lines of a JPG, Jean Paul Gaultier bottle. He has the bust. Kim Kardashian's bottles have the bust. Nicki Minaj's bottles have a bust. So there's different interpretations of a bottle that's made in the design of a bust. So I don't see what's so bad about this one. I think it's very tasteful, and it's a beautiful art piece. I like it, and I love the fragrance. It reminds me of warm vanilla sugar. If you remember that scent, I believe it was from Bath and Body Works. Smells a lot like that. It's just so yummy. Now the part that sucks about it, and I'm going to read you the notes. The listed notes are sugar, red berries, mandarin oranges, vanilla, cacao, spicy notes, rose, tonka bean, amber, musk, and woody notes. These are all a bunch of notes that work for me and my body chemistry, and this fragrance does too. I wish it projected more. That's the only thing I have, but I'm an oversprayer, so I can make it project. I can do that. What was disappointing was that my husband didn't quite care for it. But he doesn't really like a lot of my vanillas. He wears Homme and Vanille West Indies. Those are his two favorites, and so nothing can compare with those two. So I think that he's just biased to those, but I'm keeping it. And it's funny because normally what he likes would influence me on keeping or not keeping a fragrance, but I love this so much. I don't care if he doesn't like it. I'm wearing this one for me. And fragrance should be something that you wear for you. Now, because it's not his favorite, I'm not going to wear it on date night, of course. But on me night, and when I just want to chill and smell good and just feel like I'm just cocooned in vanilla, Eilish is the way to go. What do you think? And what are some of your top vanilla fragrances? This one was a huge win for me, but I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, like and subscribe to our channel, and let's talk more. Until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.